In this video, you are going to see how to create the circle picture in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To make a circle image, let us insert a picture. Go to insert, go to picture, this device. Let me select this picture. Click on insert. Now click on the picture, go to crop, go to aspect ratio and make it 1:1. Then the picture will be a square picture. Now click on the picture, go to crop to shape and select the oval, and here you will see the magic. Now if you want to move it freely, click on over here, go to picture format, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can move the picture freely. If you want to give some shadow, go to picture effect, go to shadow and select this one, offset center, and this is looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.